In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make smooth, slow-motion video in CapCut PC. We'll take a regular clip, slow it down cleanly, and make it look silky instead of choppy. Start by selecting the clip you want to slow right in your timeline. Clicking the clip tells CapCut, this is the one we're adjusting. With the clip active, look to the top right of your screen for the Properties panel. Find and open the Speed tab, and make sure you're viewing the normal settings layout, not any curves or speed ramps. Normal is perfect for a consistent, even slowdown. Inside this panel, you'll see the speed slider, which defaults to 1.0x. That's your original real-time speed. To create slow motion, drag the slider handle to the left. Let's set it to 0.5x. That halves the playback rate so every moment lasts twice as long, giving you that classic slow motion feel. As a quick rule of thumb, numbers under 1.0x slow things down. Numbers above 1.0x speed them up. If you press play now, the clip may look a bit stuttery or laggy in the preview. That's normal, because the computer is simply holding frames longer rather than creating the in-between motion. To fix it, look just below the slider and check the box labeled Smooth Slow-Mo. Then open the drop-down beside it and choose Optical Flow. This option tells CapCut's engine to analyze the motion between frames and actually generate entirely new frames to bridge the gaps. The result is motion that appears continuous and fluid, even though the original footage didn't have those extra frames. Give CapCut a moment to process after you enable optical flow. The first pass may take a little time, especially on longer or higher resolution clips. Once it finishes, play the clip again, and you should see the difference immediately. Edges look cleaner, motion feels natural, and that jitter disappears. If the preview still looks uneven while you scrub, that's just the live playback catching up. The final output will reflect the smooth optical flow result. Check motion edges and fine patterns to judge quality, and you're good. And that's it. Ultra smooth, professional slow motion processing with a single checkbox upgrade. You're all set, done.